Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. Welcome to 2022. Happy New Year. Yay! Social media is full of new you, new year stuff. What about old pasta? How do you make old pasta new? That's what we're going to do today. This is wine and mushroom pasta that enjoyed life as a party recently, but is left over. So I want to give it some new life. I think the inclination is to just drown it in sauce and keep it going. Actually, it needs less. It needs to be refreshed. So I have drained it and I'm going to show you how to bring it back to life. Considering the pasta has been marinating in sauce, even after draining it, we don't need a lot of liquid. I'm just going to give it a lick of beautiful Olio Piro. Olio Piro is high antioxidant, it's very grassy and beautiful, and it's great to cook with. I'm adding 2 cloves minced garlic, pinch of red pepper flakes, give that a stir, and I'm also adding something else that could use a little new life, some wonderful kale, 4 cups. In everything goes. It will wilt down super fast. And you're thinking, well, where's the pasta? I have 4 cups of it ready to go, but just at the end. This is obviously plant-based, and if you do want a new fabulous you, become part of Veganuary. That'll give you a month's jump start into a plant-based life. It's all free, it's all spectacular. It makes for a great way to start the year. There goes my kale. I've even turned off the heat, and I am adding juice of 1 lemon, which this was a pretty good lemon. It was about 1/4 cup. And now I'm going to add my pasta, and we are done. This is 4 cups of, now it is fairly plain pasta. It had some mushrooms in it. In everything goes. And you don't want to cook it long. You just want everything to heat through. So we have garlic, chili, lemon, greens. These are all things that are going to rev your mouth, rev your metabolism, and rev this pasta too. Going to add some spiced salt from the Spice Lab, a company I love, along with Olio Piro. And if you have some fresh herbs you'd like to add, do that too. But honey, we are done. This is new life for old pasta. So here is our beautiful pasta, which is not thrown out. It is not an old, terrible pasta. I love being able to use what you have to bring new life, new flavor to the foods we have. This does not take fat or salt. It just takes vegetables. It just takes plants. If you want more plants, and you do, and more pasta, and more pleasure, sign up for my Pleasure of Pasta class, which is happening January 12th with Plant-Based for Life's Jay Zibart. We're doing 3 different plant-based pastas. It's going to be terrific and delicious, like this. Get just a little heat and a little spice, not a lot of oil, not a lot of fat, a whole lot of flavor. Clean, bright, a great way to start the year. So, till next time, everyone, please sign up for the Pleasure of Pasta. Happy, happy New Year. Wishing you all good things. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks. Bye-bye.